Okay, the last thing that we need to do on this template is set it up so that it has an attached style sheet so that we can use that style sheet as the base style sheet for any of the pages created from that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new CSS document. I'm going to place it into that includes folder. So I'm going to go to new from templates, CSS template, and I'm just going to call that kevinbase.css just so that I know what it is. And it gives me a pretty much empty document here, but it is a CSS, and you'll notice that it's here. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to come into my HTML document, and inside between the opening and closing head tags, what I want to do is I want to connect that link. So I use the thing to help me, and a link begins with the link to a file, so href, and then you do the path to the file. Now, because this is not an include, this is an HTML reference, not a PHP reference, what it allows me to do is to simply do the / because it's going to be looking within the file that within the website that I'm in, and I will just call that and what we have to do when it's a style sheet is we need to tell it that it is a style sheet. And then we need to give it a type of text or CSS. And you can see that it gives you the cheater codes there to help you fill that out. So now anything that we do to that file at the time of rendering will be pressed forward. It'll be rendered through the cascade, and that's how it'll work. So I want to go ahead and save that template. Choose yes. I'm going to, let's go ahead and just give one property here. Let's see how intuitive it is here. Let's give a background color of okay, it doesn't have the intelligence that it does for the HTML. I was wondering about that. That's too bad, because that would be really handy. Maybe it does, and I'm just not knowing how to do it. So let's give that a, just pick out some color here. 29100 semicolon. Okay, I think I got my all my code right there, so I want to go ahead and save this. Okay, so now we want to make a new file from the template, and I'm going to replace this index.php, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Select my template, give it a name. It shows back up here. And it has our includes. Now, since this is a PHP file, we can't do the run from here. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and save that document. And we need to synchronize the website. Clean up any of the files that we've got going on. So we need to update, and we need to create the base CSS needs to go up, and it needs to update our index.php. So we're going to synchronize those, then we'll bring out our browser and see what we've got. So I'm just going to reload that. There we go. It's got our navigation, it's got our footer, it's got the file attached from the style sheet, and so everything is working as it should be. This will allow you to go ahead and create documents for the template for your website based on that, and they will It'll give you spaces to update those as you go, and it will also have the includes in there to bring those elements that are updated. Now when you go to update them, for instance, right now this is what that navigation file looks like. If I go into nav.html, all I have to do is add another link or change it. And so all I have to do is save that. Now it's telling me there's an error. Let me double check here. I didn't finish my okay, so my code wasn't clean, so did that, went ahead. It's telling me there's another error. Okay, those are nice helpful things. So go ahead and save that, close it. Let's go ahead and synchronize that up. And when we bring our web page back over, reload it, the only thing we changed was the nav. Any pages created from this will automatically be updated. So what you should do is you should create your home page and your exercises pages and any other pages that you want to play with from that template, and go ahead and start going down that path. You've got your template now. The rest is just a matter of working through it, and we'll go through those details as we continue. That's all I got for today. Talk to you later. Bye.